Hi students, now let's look at question number 2 of page number 244, exercise 13.1. Question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 cm and the total height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. The question it is given, question number 2, it is given that a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a cylinder, isn't it? So roughly draw a figure. A hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder, isn't it? And it's given that the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter, isn't it? The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. So definitely if the diameter is 14, then radius will be equal to what? 7, isn't it? It's given radius equal to 7 centimeter. And it's also given that the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height is 13 centimeter. So what will be the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder will be equal to total height. If we subtract the radius, this height of the hemisphere will be equal to what? The radius of the hemisphere, isn't it? So to get the height of the hemisphere, to get the height of the cylinder, we will subtract this 7 radius from the total height of the vessel. So height of the cylinder will be equal to 13 minus 7. That is equal to what? 6. Okay. So it's also given that height of the cylinder, that is 6. And keep in mind, radius of cylinder will be equal to radius of hemisphere, that is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now we want to find the total inner surface area of the vessel, isn't it? So answer the total. Find the inner surface area. That is the question, no? So therefore, the inner surface area of vessel will be equal to what? CSA of, that will be equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere, isn't it? To get the total inner surface area of the vessel, we need to add the CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder, plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, isn't it? So for that, we will write the formula here. CS of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus, what is the CSA of hemisphere? That is 2 pi r square, isn't it? Now it's better always the pi value we will take outside. Okay, it's common in both the CSAs, it's common, so we will take pi. Whenever it is common, we will take it outside. Okay, so what is remaining there? If pi is taken outside, 2 RH plus 2r square. Okay, so that will be equal to what? Pi into 2 into r, radius is what? That is 7, into height is 6, plus 2 into 7 square. Okay, so that is equal to what? Pi into, now 2 into 7 to 6, 7 to 6 is 42, into 2 is 84, plus 7 square, that is 49, into 2, that is what? 2 to 9, it is 18, that will be 98. Okay, so that's equal to what? Pi into 84 plus 98, that is 182. Okay, now finally we will substitute the value of pi, that's equal to what? 182 into 22 by 7. So first we will multiply 182 into 22. 2 into 2, 4. That is what? 4004 by 7. Okay, now we will just divide and find the value. Okay, 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 7 is 49. And 7 into 2 is 14. So finally we got the total inner surface area of the vessel is 572 centimeter square. Hope it is clear. Please take it your notes, students.